Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ledger and Lace. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to be showing the before portion of a Victorian hat pin box that I am restoring. So this top part is this look at this lace. This exquisite lace is absolutely swoon worthy. Get the smelling salts out. And then look at this. You can see where all the hat pins were stuck. And then this part lifts up and there's a box that fits in, but that's part of what I'm rebuilding as well. So I'll show you that in a minute, but this is the bottom part of this silver. And then there's that part. So I have some work to do. And let me show you the insert box that actually fits in here. This is a piece of the original silk. It's a light blue silk that I'll be replacing. But let me just slip this aside and I'll show you the original box, which I'll be using as my template. So this part was originally all a box, but this part now lifts out. So you can see that's the bottom part of it. And then if I flip it over, what I love about this is you can see where there were some repairs made at some point to keep the fabric, the silk, connected to the box. So let me show you. This is the bottom part where you'd put other things underneath, and then it's separated, but look, you can see. So that's the original silk that was wrapped around, and let me flip this open around. I mean, not open. But so this is the first part of this restoration of this just gorgeous Victorian hat box. And I'll be back with part 2.